Hello everyone, welcome to the Chrysalis space here at Basque. This is going to be a quick demo of how to use our speaker here in the Chrysalis space. So if you need to play music or anything like that during your use of this space, you can use this speaker. So step one, make sure everything's plugged in. We have got outlets throughout the space, so if you need to wheel this around to an area that works a little bit better, feel free to move it around as you see fit. So make sure it's plugged in first. It has a single power cord. Then you're going to want to come up here to the top of the device, and you're going to want to press once to turn it on. You'll see the light come on, and in a second, there it goes. It'll flash to let you know it's on, and then you want to open up your phone to your settings app, and you want to pair a new device, and then you're going to want to go over here and click the Bluetooth icon, and that sound means that it's ready to pair. And if you see here, it is called JBL Party Box 710. Click that, let it do its thing. It's going to ask you if you want to pair, so you hit pair, and it makes that sound and shows you that it's paired. And we have a couple controls here at the top. We have a bass boost icon that you can click that and it'll light up if you want to have a little bit of extra bass in your sound. This is the light right here, so if you press that, it'll get the light started, and you can cycle through here for the different light modes, and just press it again once if you want to turn them off. And here is play pause as well as volume. And if you're connected with your phone, you can also control that with your phone. So I can go here and start playing some music, and here we go.